Hey guys, the following clips that you're gonna see is basically a tractor pull. I don't know if any of you've seen a tractor pull before, but they're quite exciting. Big monstrous engines revving up and trying to pull this extremely heavy weight. It's just so exciting. It's an American sport. The downside though is that this clip was taken probably the first week of September. I think it was Labor Day weekend. There was a I guess like a fair near the town I live in, so we went over there and they had the tractor pull and it was pretty interesting, pretty fun. I just thought, since I had the clips already, I'll just put them up and, see if you guys like them or not. So I hope you enjoy. Here's a tractor pull of 2010.
Of course, we've got some of the newer MX now out there as well. We've got just a whole bunch of them out here. 20 competitors, 21 have signed up here for the heavyweight class.
I'm recording this.
So Tim Jansen waiting on the starting line here.
Let's put them on some trucks so you can try to pull them
It's
next.
had an up and down season so far. It's made some improvements with the turbocharger department. So next year, over the winter months, he's going to start working on the motor department and get that up to snuff. So right now he says he's going to go out and make some passes, see how he can do with it. Tim Jansen and Twisted.
How far did he go?
Not as far as John Deere.
So fans, as he brings it around, let's give another nice round of applause to Tim Jansen. This distance here this afternoon are 224.09. Will be a multi-charger machine. So pro stock's coming out here. Now take a look at where these first two competitors have spotted the sled. They've pretty much all gone to the same tracks. They've gone left and center out there. You start doing that time after time, you're going to start digging up and tearing up that starting line. Now Jeremy's going to back right up. You want to make sure you're nice and square to go up forward to that weight transfer machine. Now the front of that sled is where we measure from, fans. That is where the distance will come from. That is where we measure the front of that weight transfer machine. So the sled crew goes into work. We've got the two chains. We've got the primary chain as well as the secondary chain. And they will hook up the kill switch. Now if that tractor becomes dislodged from the weight transfer machine, that kill switch will shut that tractor off. Jeremy's all set down there. He needs a good run here to stay in the competition. Fans, let's give him some encouragement out there for the water in Allison.
Oh no!
Did not sound good. Now, it's nothing too serious. He has that option. Each and every competitor has up to 100 feet. They have two chances to make it past a measurable distance past that 100-foot mark. So he did not do so. Not sure if the tractor just slipped out of gear on him or something more crucial. He's undoing the belts now. He's going to go down and make some adjustments, looks like, on the side, and they're going to pull it back. So this will be his second attempt. This will be the one that will go in the record book. Sounded like he was making all kinds of power. All right, so let's see what we can do here this afternoon. a good sign, fans, as we saw that a couple times yesterday's show. Tough break for Jeremy here this afternoon, fans. Let's give him a tough luck round of applause. It won't be a whole lot, but as far as record keeping and points, you do have to measure his distance. So that will go down all records here this afternoon. So it looks like 2 inches. 2 inches will be the measured distance here for Jeremy.
2 inches.
He was looking for here this afternoon. Fans, another tough luck round of applause. As they bring that tractor back around the course. He's the one who wins. It's great to see him still out in competition. Lay down with some excellent work.
You smell that? It smells like victory.
Back out, Colonel Gardner. Lost the points lead. It's only 9 points behind. Each of these points finishes out there 2 points apart. So first standard here puts some points between him and his closest competitor. The edge of the green tractor, we'll tell you about that tractor as it'll roll out later on here. Bert told me earlier, just go out and make it tap. Don't worry about the points. So the points will fall where they may. So determination out of Valley Falls up here next. He's got 2 more lifts here for the heavyweight class. He's lay down a nice run here. Now take a look, fans, where he's going to stop the sled. He's going to go right down the center of the track. This guy knows what it takes to get the job done. Let's see if we can do it here this afternoon. Bert Stanner and the determination. Let's give a nice round of applause as Bert will now take over the lead. So Jeremy told me earlier, he's had kind of an up and down season. And a nice fifth place. Our leader here this afternoon, 282 is what he's going to have to beat. Fans, let's give a nice round of applause. Real nice run for that tractor.
He didn't win.
All right, nice run for Bubby Carlton here this afternoon, fans. Let's give a nice round of applause. Super contractors normally heavyweight class. We look